In front of me is a Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and today I'll go through a quick unboxing along with the overview of the device. So there's the box and the phone is inside now. I already went through already unpacked this phone, so it won't be like a first unboxing of it, but still you can get a brief view of how it looks like if you would get the device. So there's a box with some information all over it. So you have sticker right here with all the info about the device itself and specifications of it. So this is a 4 GB RAM 64 memory device. So just open this up. So it's a cardboard box, as you can see. I'm just gonna put that somewhere on the side, and you get the device right here. And as you can see, it's already booted up, so let's get that out. I'm gonna put the device right now on the side, and we can look what more is in the box. So there is the SIM ejector, which has just fallen out right here. Looks like so. I just put that aside, and you have the tray where the phone lay and some paperwork. No one cares about that. USB Type-C cable right here, just set on the side, and then the charger. Now it says turbo charger, but if I'm correct, it's a 15-watt charger. So it provides, what is it, 5 volts 3 amps or 9 volts 2 amps. Not sure if it will be visible, but it's like right over here. Hopefully you can, maybe you can get it through. But yeah, I mean, it's not the best charger. It's still not that bad. It's just a fast charger. Okay, so let's just set that all on the side. There we go. And then we got the phone itself right here, and it comes already with this silicone thing on it. So kind of nice that they include that. You can see. Then it has also a little rating right here, designed by Motorola. Not really sure if that is actually visible. It's basically right here, kind of engraved. Let's just get rid of that too. So number one, the back is plastic, just so you know. You have the fingerprint sensor right here for the M logo. What else? It's a Type-C charger. If I could get a light on there. Not really sure how to even do that. Oh, there we go. So hopefully you can get a view. Doesn't really work. So we have the SIM tray right here. On top you have a headphone jack right here, along with a microphone, and that's about it. Now I already made the phone extremely dirty by just using it, as you can see. So it's a fingerprint magnet. So let's start with specifications of it. So it's just unlock it. It's a 6.3 inch display at 1080p by 2280. So that comes out to be 400 pixels per inch, and it's an IPS LCD display. The device, like I said before, has 4 GB of RAM on a Snapdragon 665 with a 64 GB of built-in storage and a 4000 milliamp battery. So those are basically just the main specifications of it. As you can also see, you have the teardrop or the U-shape notch. It's a notch, whatever you want to call it, it's still a notch. And love it or hate it, it's there. I'm pretty sure you can probably somehow make it not as obnoxious as it is by just making the background black, but yeah. So then let's go back to the back of the device, where you have the triple cameras. Now it looks like there's 4. The last one is, I believe, I'm not really sure, but I believe it's the laser sensor. So they have the what is it called? The laser autofocus sensor for pictures, along with also the PDAF sensor, so face detection autofocus. Both of them, basically, all they do is just focus, so automatic focus on an image when you're trying to capture photos. But then the main sensor is the one on the top, which is the 48 megapixel 26mm wide lens. Then you have the below that 16mm ultra wide and 5 or not millimeters, what am I saying, pixels, so 16 pixels and then 5 pixel or megapixel depth as the last one. And like I said, the last one I believe is the laser autofocus sensor, and underneath that is a flash. And when it comes down to cameras, they are able to capture video at 2160 pixels at 30 frames or 1080p at 30 or 60. And it also says that it captures at 120 frames, but that is actually just for slow motion. You don't get 120 frames at a normal speed, you just get it reduced. So it's just the slow-mo mode. And the front camera, we go back to the front, is a 25 megapixel 1080p and captures video at 30 frames or again the 120 slow-mo. And I have tested that it only goes to slow-mo, nothing more. And yeah. And what else was there? The video on the back comes with the gyro electronic image stabilization. So I believe it was the better one when it comes down to image stabilization, where it uses the gyroscope as a sensor and detects how you move your device and then adjusts the camera sensor itself to move along with your movement, so to nivellate basically the shakiness of the video. And then Motorola also claims that it's an IP67 or 68 rating. I couldn't really find exact info about it. And those two numbers mean a whole lot different. So basically the first number, the 6, is just a dust proof, so and no dust will get in there. But the 7 or 8, depending on which one is it, also means a lot of things. So if it's IP67, then it means that it's submergible up to 1 meter. If it's 8, it's above 1 meter, but it needs to be specified by the manufacturer. Now, the manufacturer claims that it's an IP67 or 8, but they don't really provide any other information apart from that. And I assume it's not actually certified IP. They're just claiming that it is, or claiming that it's up to this, but it's actually not certified. So anything apart from rain, I would not take a shower with that phone. So yeah, and I guess that would be all. So that is how the device looks like, a brief overview along with the unboxing. Not much in the box, and the device is okay. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.